Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, everyone. I hope you had an enjoyable weekend. So, for week three, please, as usual, we are going to finish lesson one. So, we are going to continue and finish part two of lesson one. Please read carefully the instructions and watch the videos. So, here for question articles, you can see here that we have two videos. Start with the first one. Pause as you can, pause as you need, and take notes. And I suggest that you always, when you understand any item, try to practice, try to use this question word and make an example, your own example. And it doesn't have to be a long sentence, just even if it's 3 word sentence. Okay. Here we have this is a form after watching these two videos and understanding the material. Here you are going to write, and this is among students, so you can share information, what you learned, at least two things that you learned from this lesson. You will click here and you write what you learned. Here we are going to do this drill 8 question article. Question article. You click here and it will take you. You have here questions. You click. So anytime we have a writing first, please make sure to read the instructions. Anytime it's a writing assignment, always follow the directions. In writing, I would like students to write by hand, and you write your first, last name and the class, and you write by hand. And some students, they will make a copy. You don't have even to make a copy. Either you take a picture of it or a screenshot and you just submit it. Then you will have here a writing assignments. The same thing. If you click here, you will have here a question article writing assignment, and you are going to submit your work here. For the Flipgrid video, this time I gave you here the code and I gave you the link. Last time I gave the link and students started emailing me, they couldn't log into our Flipgrid. So here you have the link and the code. When you click here, you are going to answer these questions. Using any of the new question words we learned this week, ask a question in Modern Standard Arabic. So after watching and understanding the material related with the questions in Arabic or question words in Arabic, at least try to ask a question in modern standards using class vocabulary from lesson one. So I would like you to recycle, to use what we learned in the vocab and use question words. You can format your questions similarly to the example I gave in this video. Post your questions on Flipgrid. So I just want students to formulate their own examples with question words and by using some of the vocabulary words that I included in lesson one. Okay, at the same time, please answer. Of course, both are videos. You are going to answer one of your peers' questions. For example, I ask you, كيف حالك? One of my classmates, maybe he will answer or she will answer. By the way, don't repeat the same question that I did, so don't repeat it. Remember, this activity is in modern standard Arabic. I am not teaching dialects. We are not here to learn dialects. Although dialects and learning dialects is good, but we wanted to focus on learning classical Arabic, modern standard Arabic that it's understood anywhere in the Arab world. Okay? Then we have here another lesson. If you click here, you will see for the definite article, it's very easy. The definite article is the Alif Lam Al. It's very short and easy video. Then you are going here to practice. So see how I organize them in a way that first you watch and you learn the material, then you will answer. Here for the reading assignment, you are going to click here and this is exercise 16 from Al-Kitab, our textbook. Please practice reading the passage before you record your video. Okay? If you have some difficulties, just practice at least one time, twice. Then we have here writing assignments. If you click here, and I gave you here a Quizlet lesson 133 verb to work, to study, to live. So here it's a review for the present tense, and I reviewed the three verbs that you already heard from the video of Maha, Ana Maha. She talked about Ana adrusu, I study. She talked about her dad and she said والدي يعمل, and she also talked about her mother and she said والدتي تعمل. So she used three words, three verbs, and she conjugated them in the present tense. So it's a review, and because you already watched and you are going to see the rules behind conjugating verbs in the present tense. Uh, in this video, I will go over verb conjugation. So please click here and you are going to see here how I conjugated the three verbs in the present tense with the I, she, he, you, female, masculine, female singular, and male singular. Okay, this is a chapter test review. I am not going to collect, but I urge you to review it because this will help you with the test. And finally, we have the lesson 1 quiz. This is also a practice for the list of Arab countries. It is very important for you to review it. Thank you very much, and I wish you and I hope you will have an excellent week. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.